If you're not comfortable with using a free bar that can wobble and move around, you want something a little more fixed, we have the Smith machine. Now the Smith machine is on 2 fixed bars, so it isn't going anywhere. And you can do a number of different exercises from shoulder press, squats, deadlifts, whatever you need to on this fixed plane. To get it off of its racks, you roll it forward. And you'll be able to see that the support that holds it in place has now come off of its hinge. Roll on, roll off, and the bar is now free to move. You also have several different connections all the way up and down the bar, so at any point you can just return it back to the rack at any level. Also, you have additional safety feature, which is an emergency stop. And you can set these emergency stops at whatever height you need them to be. Let's choose that height. So let's say, for example, I was doing an exercise and I couldn't quite lift it and I dropped it. It drops down onto this hook here. That pushes this pin forward and sets it onto the nearest hook. So you've also got a fail-safe if you don't feel comfortable doing this free.